In this video, I'm going to talk about a very staggering problem, lead generation. One of the biggest challenges businesses face today is lead generation. I almost talk to 4 to 5 businesses every day. I mean, in meetings, and I have noticed a very clear pattern. Everybody has a product to sell. Some are very good, some even excellent. But the problem is whom to sell. The struggle is to getting enough leads. Some are stuck because they are new, they don't know how to find leads. Others are trying all the traditional lead generation methods, but they are so generic and copy pasted that people don't even respond. As soon as people see a generic DM or email, they can tell that it has been sent to other 600 people at the same time. People respond when they feel the message is about them. That's exactly we will solve in this video. I will show you one of my lead generation machines I use to get at least 4 to 5 booked meetings on my calendar every single day. With this lead generation automation system, I generate my leads and then send them personalized messages that feel like they have been crafted after hours of research. Whether you are a startup, real estate agent, solar company, gym trainer, or any other business that relies heavily on constant flow of leads, this is the solution you have been waiting for. So if you want to level up your lead generation game, grab a coffee, hit that like button if you haven't already, and let's get started. But before I start, if you don't know me, I'm Sudeshna. I live in Denmark. I am an engineer and I run an AI automation agency where we help businesses to implement different types of automations and AI agents into their workflow. We also provide consultation to businesses who are kind of new in this AI thing to understand what AI agent is and how it can help them to increase the revenue. So if you want to work with me, you can book a call with me. I will leave a link in the description section below. That was enough about me. Let's get started. Okay, so this is my lead generation machine. I have divided into 4 parts. One is the first is lead generation. The next part is lead enrichment, then outreach, and the final one is follow up. Okay, so how will we start it? We all know that we need a trigger. So here the trigger is when clicking the workflow. When clicking test workflow, that is this thing. If we click on this one for this demo, of course for this demo, then we have our HTTP request here. So what is this for? In this node, we will get data about solar companies from Google search. Now, of course, we will not go manually to Google and type solar companies and get all data about it. Of course not, because remember, we are automating here everything, right? So how will we do that? We will use some scraper or online databases like Apify, Phantom Buster, Apollo, and there are lots more. We use those to get the data from Google search about the solar companies here in this node. I will show you how did I do it. We only need the API from those, whatever you use, those database or scraper, whatever it is. I just got my API, Apify API here and pasted it here. Next, I have just added some JSON because we need some body, right? What we want to say that. And that is also very simple. I have just added the location, which is New York, and then I have added the search keyword, which is for our case solar energy companies, right? I will show you that it's working or not. So we will test this step, right? So test step. It will take a little time. You can also see it here. And this is so satisfying to see it, like it's running. And one thing I want to tell you here that we don't need 3 nodes here like if, wait, and other get node and post node. We don't need at all. I have coded it in such a way that only one node will work for all these things. Okay, so it is done. So we will see it now. What is the test result? And you can see that we got some result. like solar electrical engineering. Price, category name, address, neighborhood, right? A street, city, postal code, phone number. Okay, we got so many things. Opening hours. If you want opening hours, you can just take it. I don't think we need that. Phones, if they have multiple phone numbers, then it will come here under this phones. Okay, then LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everything, whatever they have on Google, we got those data, right? All right. Then the next node is map fields or edit fields. In this node, basically, we organize all the data we got from this HTTP request node or Google search. Right. The next node is Google Sheet. And in this node, we will store the data which we got from the searching thing. I will show you my Google Sheet here first. So this is my Google Sheet. I have all the things like title, category, neighborhood, country, website, phone number, email, Instagram, Facebook, like all the socials. And also I have services, like what service they provide. Intro, this is from Facebook. In Facebook we have intros, right? And then email, have we sent them the email? Then email 1, email 2, that is a follow-up email, all those things, right? Right. And next one is a condition. So up to this, we got data for the solar company. For example, I will show you one here, like the last one, I got the data. Here we have the company, then email, and then we have the Facebook. Say we don't have the email. We don't got the email from Google search, right? Then we need to have the email because we are sending cold emails here. So we need that email. So how do we do that? In that case, first we will check whether it has an email or not, and whether it has a Facebook also. For example, in this case, it has both, like it has email and Facebook. But suppose it doesn't have the email, but it has the Facebook URL. In that case, it will be true and it will go to this part, the upper one. In this next HTTP node, we will scrape the email from the Facebook page. It's something like that. And again, I have used some scrap and I got the API and pasted it here. I have just done it like that, okay? And then we got the data, that email, and store it again. That is the enrichment. That's why I have said it like enrichment of data, like whatever data we don't have but we need, we get that and we enrich the previous data in the Google Sheet here, right? So now we got the email and we put it here, we store it here. And if we have the email address already, like in this case, we already have the email, then we don't go for this path, we go for the lower path here, okay? So next node is OpenAI. What OpenAI will do here? OpenAI just write a personalized email for this company. This is our lead, right? And we are selling here, like we are providing the solution of cold calling AI. So OpenAI will go to their website and get some data about their pain points, something like that, that what they don't have. Then write a personalized email on that pain point, providing our service as the solution. And then it will write that, okay, can we send you a 2-minute video about this? Like it is not much, but we will just send you a 2-minute video. Then best warmth or best regards, something like that, right? So this is the next one, the OpenAI node. Next node is Gmail. Of course, we will send the email through Gmail. All right. So now first I will test this workflow and I will show you that it's working in such a good way, right? Okay. So test workflow. So it's working now. You can see that HTTP request is working, and I will show you the Google Sheet again. You can see that we are in the 5th row. The next thing will come in 6 and 7 because I have limited it in 2 searches. Okay, it will take some time, and it organized data, and the Google Sheet one, it has run. So now, all right, you can see that we have now to another rows which is added, 6 and 7. So we got company name, and then here the website, and phone number, email address, Facebook ID, all those things, right? Okay. And it has also sent an email. You can see that there is no tick here, because you can understand that we have email address and Facebook ID also. So we don't need the upper one. It has gone through the lower part of the workflow. And of course, we have got an email. I will check my email. I will go to my email. Yeah. Now I will show you my email. Okay, so you can see that I got an email from me because I sent it. And the subject is streamlining your client engagement with our AI assistant. And you can see that it has written a very good email actually. Dear Advanced Solar Solution team, I hope this message finds you well. I have been impressed by your commitment to provide top-notch solar solutions to the community in Kew Gardens Hills. Your dedication to helping homeowners harness renewable energy is truly commendable. However, I noticed that managing leads and scheduling appointments can often be a significant pain points for your team, potentially leading to missed opportunities in this competitive market. At our firm, we specialize in providing a cold caller AI assistant that can seamlessly handle appointment scheduling, prospecting, and qualifying leads, all designed to alleviate the burden on your team and ultimately enhance customer engagement. Would you mind if I sent over a 2-minute video explaining how our solution can help streamline your operations and improve the overall client experience? Warm regards, Advanced Solar Solutions, whatever, their phone number and all. So that was it. And if you want to make it more perfect, as I have already said, that you have to edit your prompt. And that's why you get a really good email. That email also was very good, right? Okay, one thing I want to show you that OpenAI, what I have written in the OpenAI, so that you can see that I have got the email body, subject, and then body, right? And I want to show you the prompt, what I have written. All right, so you can see that I have written that write a personalized email for the solar company with the following details. Company name, website, Facebook, city, etc. Start with a personalized info. Next, refer a top pain point. We provide cold caller AI assistant solution. So pitch that and then just send that 2-minute video thing, all those things, right? Okay, so that was it. Okay, so to wrap it up, it was my lead generation system. It is not just a tool, but was a game changer for my business. By automating the whole process of lead generation and sending personalized outreach, now I get qualified leads, which not only saves my time and energy, but also boost my revenue. By talking to those people or those leads, at least 90% of them who actually want to buy my service. If you aren't already using this type of advanced lead generation system, then I will say it's a time to take your lead generation to the next level and watch your business thrive. Also, if you want me to help you in your business in this regard or in any other implementation of automation or AI agent, book a call with me. I will leave a link in the description section below. I also provide consultation to businesses who are kind of new in this AI thing to understand what AI agent is and how they can implement different types of automation and AI agents into their workflow. So in that case also you can book a call with me. Okay, so that was it for this video. If you like this video and got any value from it, please give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question or feedback, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.